Hello friends, so in this video I will solve this ghost cube third and last layer. So when we try to solve this last layer, so we can find different kind of cases. I mean same like this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So when we solve this simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, sometime we can face this kind of situation. I mean two yellow edge pieces are matching properly. So this is our L-shaped condition, and sometime we can face this kind of situation. I mean these two edge pieces are matching properly, so this is our straight line condition. And similar sometime we can find our complete yellow cross like that, and similar sometime we can face just yellow dot shape. I mean we have no any L shape, and also we have no any straight line. We have just yellow dot shape like that. So this is our yellow dot shape. Similar in this 3 by 3 ghost Rubik's cube, when we try to solve this top layer, so we can face different kind of cases. But in this cube we will match these edge pieces and we will find our situation. For example, this is edge piece, this is also edge piece, this is also edge piece, and this is also. So if we rotate this edge piece, okay, so you can see this edge piece is matching properly because this is matching from this position. But we will not check our edge piece from this top side because we just need to rotate this center point. So from this angle this edge piece is matching. We will check this edge piece. So this edge piece is not matching from any side. Now we will check this piece. Okay, so this edge piece is also matching properly. It's mean this edge piece and this edge piece, these two edge pieces are matching properly. So it's mean we have one straight line. As you can see, these two edge pieces are matching properly. For example, this edge piece, if we check from this position, so this is fixed properly. It's mean this is matching properly. Similar, this is our another edge piece. If we rotate like that, so this is also matching. But this piece is not matching, and also this is not matching. So these two edge pieces are matching properly. It's mean we have straight line. So we will place this straight line on this position, I mean on middle layer center point, and from down layer we will misalign our cube like that, because when we misalign, so our cube will rotate. Now we will place our straight line like that, and from this position we will apply F R U R prime U prime, and then F prime. And now we will again check our these four edge pieces. First we will check this edge piece. So this edge piece we are matching properly. This is also matching properly. You can see from this position, and this is also matching. From this side you can see this is smooth, and our last and fourth edge piece is also matching. It's mean we have matched our all four edge pieces. So now we will just rotate our this center point. So we will place any one matching center piece. So we can select this piece, we can select this, we can select any one. So if we select this piece, so first we will place this piece on this middle layer center point. Then from this down side we will misalign our cube, and from this side we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and again we will match our cube, and now you can see these all 4 edge pieces are matching properly. We can check this piece, so this is on its proper position, this is also matching, this is also matching, and if we check this edge piece, so this is also matching. And now we can see one edge piece is properly matching from this top center. You can see this is also matching on its proper position and also matching from this top side. So we will place this edge piece in front of, and we will misalign our cube, and again we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and we have complete our algorithm, and you can see we have create our cross. So this step we have complete, we have matched our all 4 edge pieces. I will again scramble these 4 edge pieces, and again I will show that how we can match these 4 edge pieces. So first I will scramble these pieces. Okay, I have scrambled again these 4 edge pieces, and I will show again these pieces solution. So first we will check this edge piece. So we can see this edge piece is not matching because this is rotated. We can check from any angle. So this is not matching. We will check this piece, and you can see this edge piece is matching properly. Similar, we will check this bracket piece. Okay, so this is also matching properly. If we check this piece, so this is not matching from any side. It's mean these 2 edge pieces are matching properly. If we hold cube like that, so this is our L shape condition. When we find this kind of condition, so we will place our cube like that. One edge piece we will place on this position, second on this side, and we will place these 2 pieces on middle layer center points, and from this down side we will rotate cube like that, and we will misalign our cube, and from this position we will apply algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now again we will rematch our cube, and now again we will check our this top layer edge pieces. First we will check this edge piece. So this is matching properly. Now we will check this piece. This is not matching from any side. We will check this big size edge piece, and you can see from this position this is also matching properly. And now we can see this edge piece and this, so these 2 are matching properly. It's mean we have create straight line condition. So first we will place these pieces on this middle layer center points, and from this down side we will misalign our cube, and again we will place these 2 pieces on this position, and again we will apply F R U R prime U prime F prime. We will match this middle layer, and now we will check this top layer edge piece. So this edge piece from this position, this is matching properly, and from this side also this edge piece is matching properly. So this is fixed. We will check this edge piece. We can see this is also matching. Now we will check this piece. Okay, so this is also matching properly, and similar we will check this bracket type piece. So this is also matching. It's mean we have match our all 4 edge pieces. And now we will just rotate our this top center point. So from this position, one center piece that is matching properly from this top side and also from this down side on this position. So we will place this center piece in front, and also we will place on its middle layer center piece, and from this down layer we will misalign our cube like that, and from this side we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And now you can see we have complete our cross, and this step we have completed. And when we complete this step, so our last step, we will find any one edge piece that is matching properly, and sometime we can find all 4 edge pieces they are matching properly. So this is corner pieces. So we can see this corner piece we need to fix on this side, because this is not matching properly. It means these two are not matching properly, so these two are wrong corner pieces. And if we check from this position, so I think this is also not matching properly, and this is also. So any one edge piece is not matching on its proper position, so we will place this edge piece on this center, and from this down side we will misalign our cube, and we will apply algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And now again we will check our cube. So this corner is not matching properly, this is also not matching, this is also not matching. Okay, so this corner piece we have fixed properly, because this is also solved and matching on its proper position. So we will place this corner piece on this position, and from this side we will again misalign our cube from this side, and again we will apply algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And now we will check our corner pieces. First we will match our cube. So this is matching properly, this is not matching, this is also not matching, and this is also. It means only one corner piece is matching properly. Again we will place cube like that, and from this down layer we will misalign our cube, and again apply algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And again we will rematch our cube. Okay, so this is matching properly, these two are also matching properly, and this is also. We will just need to rotate these 3 corner pieces. So again we will use just R prime D prime technique. So we will rotate cube in this position, and from this down side we will also misalign our cube, because we need to rotate. And now first we will rotate this corner piece. So hold cube like that and apply R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So this corner we have fixed properly, we will just take out of the way, and from this corner again we will continue our algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. This is also fixed, and now we have left with this last corner, and we will continue our algorithm from this position. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And now we will just match our cube and our cube will be solved. Okay, so now you can see we have solved our this 3 by 3 ghost Rubik's cube.